5. Take this as 5. So 5 minus t, that t just we are considering, we are not changing. In place of t minus 5, if I take t, what happens to this? In place of t, t plus 4 will come. That's it. You can change to any other alphabet, no problem. If I take in place of t minus a, already we took t means periodic function, you get confused there. For example, b, t minus a, b. What happens to this in place of t? b plus 4. Same only. Like that we are writing. So f of t will be, this is 5 minus t minus 4. So minus t plus 1. Minus t plus 1. This is f of t. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to minus 1 by s square plus 1 by s, because Laplace transform of t is t power 1. 1 power 1 power, sorry, 1 by s power n plus 1. Okay. So Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square minus 1 as it is. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Okay. Now, up here, any doubts? Those who are writing, you can write. So what actually we are finding? We are finding out this. What is Laplace transform of this? F of t, we got t plus 5 minus t, h of t minus 4. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of t plus Laplace transform of 5 minus t, h of t minus 4. We calculated this. Laplace transform of this we calculated here. Laplace transform of t minus 4, we took as 5 minus t. Okay, we calculated this much we got. We'll substitute back that. Laplace transform of 5 minus t, h of t minus 4 is equal to e power minus 4s 1 by s minus 1 by s square. Why? Because Laplace transform of periodic function. Laplace transform of f of t minus a, u of t minus a is equal to e power minus as f bar of s. This one we are using. We are using this one. L of f of t minus a, u of t minus a equal to e power minus as f bar of s. Okay, like this we are comparing. Whatever value we have here, take that as f of t minus a. Find out f bar of s. Substitute here. That will give the answer. So Laplace transform of f of t is equal to L of t plus this we calculated e power minus 4s 1 by s minus 1 by s square. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to L of t is again 1 by s square plus 1 by s minus 1 by s square into e power minus 4s. This is the answer. Understood? Or you want me to explain this again? See once again, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Understood or what? Okay. Still some of them have confusion. I will do from starting itself. From starting only I will do. F of t is equal to t 0 less than t less than 4, 5 greater than 4. Find L of f of t. This is the question. This is the question. First thing, what we have to do, we have to use that property f of t is equal to f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into h of t minus a. This property we have to use when we have f of t and f1 of t, f2 of t. Correct? Laplace transform of f of t I need. So what happens? Laplace transform of f1 of t plus Laplace transform of f2 of t minus f1 of t h of u of t minus a. H of t minus a. Now Laplace transform of f of t is equal to L of f1 of t. L of f1 of t is L of t, because in place of f1 of t you have t. Next, Laplace transform of f2 of t. F2 of t is 5 minus f1 of t is t. H of t minus 4. Okay, this one you can write answer directly, 1 by s square. L of f of t plus L of 5 minus t h of t minus 4. For this, we can't write answer directly. For that, what we have to use? L of f of t minus a, u of t minus a or h of t minus a. Both are same. Don't get confused. Is equal to e power minus as f bar of s. This one we need to use. Means compare this and this. In place of f of t minus a value is 4. L of f of t minus 4, h of t minus 4 is equal to e power minus 4s f bar of s. In place of this, we have 5 minus t. So take f of t minus 4 as 5 minus t. F of t I need. Means in place of t minus 4, I am taking t. So here, what happens in place of t minus 4, t means in place of t, this t should come this side. So t plus 4. T plus 4. So 5 minus t minus 4. This is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 minus t. This is f of t. Okay. Find, we got f of t as 1 minus t. L of f of t is L of 1 minus t. L of 1 minus L of t. 1 by s minus 1 by s square. This is f bar of s. F bar of s is same as f bar of s is same as f of t. Okay. F bar of s is same as L of f of t. This is same as f bar of s. Now we'll come back to this. This one we calculated. This one, how much we got? This one we got this answer. This is the answer. F bar of s we got this much. You're not seeing. F bar of s, you're getting 1 by s minus 1 minus x square. So in place of this, I will substitute h of t minus 4 is equal to e power minus 4s. F bar of s is 1 by s minus 1 by s square. Then again, here we got the answer for this as this answer. We'll substitute there. L of f of t equal to 1 by s square plus e power minus 4s 1 by s minus 1 by s square. This is the answer. Understood now? $31. Understood? Okay. We'll go to next problem. Find L of f of t if f of t equal to sin 2t 0 less than t less than pi 0 t greater than or equal to pi. This is the problem. First write f of t equal to sin 2t f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t. 0 minus sin 2t, that is minus sin 2t. So if you have confusion, I will write that also. 0 plus sin 0 minus sin 2t h of t minus pi. That is nothing but sin 2t minus sin 2t h of t minus pi. This is f of t. We need L of f of t. L of sin 2t minus L of sin 2t h of t minus pi. This is equal to L of sin 2t is, you know that, you know the answer, a by s square plus s square. That one will write. This one to find L of sin 2t h of t minus pi. To find this, we know that L of f of t minus a h of t minus a is equal to e power minus as f bar of s. L of f of t minus pi h of t minus pi we need e power minus pi s f bar of s. Compare this with sin 2t. F of t minus pi is equal to sin 2t. Then f of t is equal to sin 2 into t plus pi. T minus pi is nothing but t. If when we have t minus pi, here t. When we have t, t plus pi. Sin 2 pi plus 2t. 2 pi means 360 degree. 180. Pi is 180. 180 into 2, 360. 360 plus means first quadrant. First quadrant. Sign is positive. Then it is odd, even multiple of pi by 2. 2 into pi is equal to 4 into pi by 2. So even multiple means sign will remain as same. So positive sin 2t. F of t is sin 2t. Then write this. It is not there in notes which I shared. That's why. You want to write, you can write. Writing. Okay. Next one. F of t. We need f of t is sin 2t. In that we need f bar of s. F bar of s is Laplace transform of this. Laplace transform of sin 2t is L of sin 2t is 2 by not focusing. L of s square plus 4. Okay. Now substitute here. Substitute here in place of F bar of s is that 62. Why you will unmute? So in place of F bar of s, write this 2 by s square plus 4. That is nothing but L of f of t minus pi h of t minus pi is equal to e power minus pi s 2 by s square plus 4. So answer will be L of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of sin 2t. This one Laplace transform of sin 2t. This one we calculated. Okay, Laplace transform of sin 2t can write directly 2 by s square plus 4 minus e power minus pi s 2 by s square plus 4. This is the answer. Next problem, L of f of t is equal to cos t 0 less than t less than pi, cos 2t pi less than t less than or equal to 2 pi, cos 3t t greater than 2 pi. This problem, those who wish to write this problem. So f of t will be equal to f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t u of t minus a plus f3 of t minus f2 of t u of t minus b. This one we have to use. So if you use that, f1 of t is cos t plus f2 of t is cos 2t minus cos t urh both you can use. Don't get confused. urh u of, that's why I'm writing both, t minus pi. This value is pi plus f3, that is cos 3t minus cos 2t u of t minus b. What is b? That is 2 pi. Okay. This is f of t. We need Laplace transform of this. Laplace transform of this is Laplace transform of cos t plus Laplace transform of cos 2t minus cos t u of t minus pi plus Laplace transform of cos 3t minus cos 2t u of t minus 2 pi. Will you try this? It is similar to previous problems. Will you try this? To try this problem, we'll take attendance. Yes and 1. Yes and 1.
1 present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3. Yes and 3. Three present. 4.
So 5 present.
6. 6. 6 absent. 7.
Present, sir.